Nice to meet you, Queen. Queen M. Farad, nice to meet you. So we're going to upload content completely automatically. Let's see. Content machine. Now this one. Perfect. Let's bring in Claude. Run program. And now Claude. Spawn new Pokemon. Nice. And now Claude is going to load this program, which is going to be dope. This is a custom-made program that allows me to automatically upload to all the social media channels without having to write any of the SEO. AI writes the SEO, the titles, the tags. It does all that for me, so I don't have to. I just press a button. So right now he's loading this custom program, which, it's gonna be dope. Okay, cool. So here's a program. Nice. So this is a custom app where, let's just delete these, get new records. All of these videos I have to get posted, basically, but I don't have to do them manually. I can do them automatically now, which is so fun. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Let's just test these out. Okay, so these videos are now getting transcribed instantly. Nice. One's ready to go, so that's going to get published today, the 5th, at 12:39 p.m. 12:40. Give it some time. Publish. Okay, so now it is uploading to get published. So the nice thing about it, I know it doesn't look like that much, but it's already transcribed the video. It's already read the video, transcribed the video, wrote the SEO text for the video. All that's done. Now it's uploading to 6 social media channels. So that means with 2 presses of a button, one to upload, one to do the date, and basically the change when I want this thing to be published, all completely happening automatically, which is very exciting. So that content upload, he's publishing still, okay. There's a couple bugs I wanted to test out from here as well too, to see if, okay, so number 1, we need to upgrade. And make sure that's the right upgrade. How do I start learning? Definitely join the community, link in the bio. That's where we're having a 6-week live class, Tuesday through Thursday. Fridays are office hours. For the next 6 weeks, 5 weeks, that's gonna go through AI beginner to AI developer, AI expert, AI consultant, basically. It's if you wanna level up in AI and master it in about 5 weeks. I'm talking the best of the best AI tools. Link is in the bio. I don't see a link, actually right here. And if you sign up with that, I don't know if that will make sense or help. Maybe that will help. But when you go there, when you sign up for the community, you get a 1-hour one-on-one session with me. So I'm going to look at your business. I'm going to go deep into identifying goals, give you a clear roadmap, show you exactly how to automate and leverage AI in your business to automate the boring stuff. Right now, I'm literally uploading content. A task that would take me an hour to do is now completely automated with this new app I vibe coded. So that's what I'm doing right now. Ooh, he may not be able to upload just yet. Quantity 1. Wait, I could do 120 posts a month. How much is that? I think I could get away with just the 19. Interesting. I only have 10 social media sets. Is there any reason why I would upgrade? Well, I'm upgrading the API to basically post to social media. Came in clutch for one of the members. Oh shit, this is perfect. No, 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 no. Not annual. I'm not down, not annual yet. 19 build. Sick. 120. We're probably gonna ramp that up. That's fine. So right now, this thing is completely uploading content to YouTube. Tick tick. Dreamcatcher, good to see you. Georgiana, good to see you. It failed right now just because I haven't upgraded the subscription, actually, which I'm upgrading right now. Get late. So this whole thing was custom vibe coded with Claude Code. That's the real fun part. If you guys are playing with Claude Code, put a yes in the chat if you're playing with Claude Code. Put a no in the chat if you haven't played with Claude Code yet. Because he is, oh my gosh, so much fun. He is your basically software developer that basically vibe codes the program for you. So right now, every month, repeat on the 5th, every month. I'm adding to my subscription tracker tag business, and this is for social media posting automation. Okay, so now we're ready to go. I think we're ready to retry this. So now he's going to retry. Dreamcatcher, what's up? Everyone on YouTube, good to see you. So this is a custom vibe coded app using Claude Code to build custom APIs, all beneath the hood, which is so nice. This allows me to take videos on my computer and instantly upload them to 5 social media apps with the press of a button. It does all the SEO, it writes all the tagging, it does it custom for every channel, for all the different social media channels. So now it allows me, my goal is to be able to post. Okay, let's check the date. Oh, we gotta change the time. Let's do this at 50. Today, save and publish. Because now we're in production mode, which is nice. We spent the weekend vibe coding this, which is so nice. And if you want to learn how to vibe code in the community, we're starting to learn how to vibe code next week, week 2. And then we're going to show you how to do Claude Code, how to do Google AI Studio, how to hook up APIs, how to build complex automation apps so that you could cut subscriptions. Georgina, good to see you. Javier, good to see you. Welcome. Oh, AI Hype. That was a dope name that came by. Nice to see everyone. Okay, so this, he is just publishing. If this works, this is going to be so cool because he's basically going to schedule to publish to all the social media channels. And we vibe coded this over the weekend, which is like super dope. Super, super, super dope. You can import. That's very interesting. I like this API service. Okay, so it's publishing. This was all vibe coded. We're basically going through some of the building and testing of it to help me basically right now to publish 10 videos a day. So I'm gonna get 10 videos up today, queued up today, and then tomorrow will be another batch of 10. So that's we're gonna really ramp up content. really ramp up content. But it doesn't take any extra effort, which is so nice. So it's all going to be complete. Right now he's uploading to all the different social media channels right now. So stuff that I would have to do manually, upload the file, type out the form, write the text, copy paste, do it for every video, and then do that manually and then wait for it to upload. Ugh, I don't have to do that anymore. Imagine your boss came into work and said, "Hey, remember that job I asked you to do? Yeah, you don't need to do it anymore. I completely automated it. So now you don't have to do that anymore." I'll be like, "Thanks, boss." Like, what kind of boss automates your job for you? I'll be like, "Thank you, boss, for building a program." Oh, it says published. So what that means is we're testing our Vibe coded app. Yeah, we have some bugs. We're gonna fix the bugs. When it published, can we look in the error log and see? Nope, no errors. When I went to publish, it did publish, but it only uploaded YouTube to the API, and it did not add or map the text as well. So even the text is missing from the YouTube video as well. So check how the video is uploaded. The last change we made, we want to make separate API requests for each of the elements so that we could custom map both the text and the video with the scheduled time instead of trying to do it all in one JSON payload. So we're confirming that was the last update and fixed the bug. Hey, Claude, you fix it. Hi, 6-Bit. Nice to meet you. Welcome to the chat. You're watching me vibe code, fix a bug for my custom-made app that saves me 2 hours every day of automating content. I don't have to upload content manually every time, and no more. He found the issue. Very cool. And now this whole thing's coded with Claude Code. That's basically, which is super nice. Shut up and take my mic. Yeah, so basically, so for context, I have the business challenge is I have a folder. I have a folder of 20 videos. They're all short form videos, like 1-minute videos. They're already posted on TikTok. I need them posted on 5 social media channels. That would take dozens of hours to manually upload every single one, write the SEO text, schedule the date to upload, and do all that. Now, I don't do any of that. My app, which is right here, let's say yes. Actually, Claude is vibe coding. And then right here, so Claude built that app that does the API to transcribe, writes all the text, schedules the upload, so that now I can upload all of them at once and I don't have to do any manual work. The chatbot basically is going to do everything. Okay, server restarted, problem found. Cool. Don't worry, Claude, I know you fixed it. So let me refresh. Let me delete. This is so cool to like custom build your own app. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I think it's just these. Okay, so it uploads the video, transcribes the video, writes the SEO for the video. All the SEO. Wait for this to load. All the SEO is written for every single social media channel. Each one's custom for every single channel, Twitter, TikTok, or the different social media channels. I can't say their names. I've been looking for a next way to implement AI. Oh, this is you hosted music weekly reviews. You've been looking for a next way to implement AI. Oh, come join the community. We're teaching you how to vibe code, teaching you how to build AI agents, how to automate your workflow. This thing automates my content, both creation and publishing. So I have an AI avatar that creates content. So that's what this whole workflow is. So he writes all this, that's great. We're going to change the date to publish this today because we're testing this out. I need this published at 12:55 p.m. Go ahead and publish that. So now he's publishing. This app, guess how much? It is completely free to members inside the community. And I also take clients too. So if you want one-on-one session with me, just send me a DM. Just say AI Consulting. Just send me a direct message in TikTok. And then if you want to join the community, It's $97 a month and you get access to all of my tools. So custom tools like this. I give away tools, prompts. I have 23 courses. We meet 6 times a week. We're going back. This week is week 1. We're starting tomorrow. Our 5-week AI training program is starting tomorrow. 5 weeks to go from AI beginner all the way to AI advanced, where you're building vibe coding, you're building AI agents, you're automating your work, you're building custom vibe coded apps like this so that it saves you 20 hours a week. So all of this, we're teaching you GenSpark, Google Gemini, Claude Code, how to code, vibe coding, digital marketing, how to sell a digital product as well. So all of that is in the community. And when you join, you get a 1-hour one-on-one session with me. And so this is the type of stuff that you get. Plus, this is open source to my community members. They could download and get this. And then they don't have to upload content manually anymore. It just becomes a click of a button and it's all done. That's automation. This isn't NAN. This isn't Zapier. This isn't Make.com. This isn't any of that. Like, this is I love coding. LC says, how much do you spend on API fees? I think I'm at roughly about $50 a month on API fees, but also I've reduced most of my subscriptions as well too. So that's a lot. $50 in API fees of like generating text, generating content, generating images. It's pretty much going all towards automating my content. So pretty much automating the entire marketing department is just AI agents. I have a team of just AI agents that are just creating my content. So they're all APIs, just prompts and APIs to like OpenRouter, and OpenRouter is one, Kai is another one, and then whatever specific service that I need. Okay, he published. Let's test it out. We should see 5 records. Check this out. So all I did was press a button here. That's all you saw me do. Press a button, right? Boop, boop. Now, oh yeah. John doesn't have to do content. So now all of the posts for YouTube or for that app, the blue app, the black and white app, the blue app, the red and white app, the other blue app, it now scheduled to publish on all of them at the right time. Well, too. And the one that we were having issues with was Twitter right here, but that's the 120 character. So perfect. We fixed the bug last night where basically it was struggling to basically not post to Twitter. I didn't write any of the SEO text for this. It's custom SEO, like this text right here is custom written for every social media channel and it's different. Notice LinkedIn or this app is different than this app. So they all have custom made text for that specific platform that I spent no effort creating. This is content automation. Okay, cool. So I'm happy with this. So that's one. Okay, that's done. So let's keep batching them. So this one I want scheduled at, let's put this one at 1 p.m. This one at so today at 1 p.m. schedule and publish. And now he's publishing. What is this program and how much? Guess how much it is? Free. Where can you get it? Inside my community. My community is paid. It's $97 a month. But inside my community, I give you custom-made apps like this for free. You just hook up your own API keys. That's all. And then you're just paying the API keys. I don't charge for any of the subscription of the tools that I custom make tools for my clients, both for my business and for my clients. So this is a content automation app that we've been working on for the community, and it's free. You could get it, link in the bio, join the community, $97 a month. You can join and cancel next month, but we're gonna give you so much value. And even when you join, you're gonna book a one-on-one session with me. And I'm gonna give you so much more value and secrets and templates and apps that you're gonna be like, John's Santa Claus. I like hanging out with John. He's like AI Santa Claus. He gives me prompts. He gives me custom GPTs. He gives us custom apps. The community is nice in a month, but you get these apps for free? Yes, inside the community. Because you're a member, what I have, I give to my members. And we all share apps and prompts. We all just support each other. So it's part of the community where we all just give and support. So we don't really charge for software inside of it. It's free. Because it gives value and it saves you a ton of time, and it's custom made for like our members basically. So free, 99, free. But it saves so much time. Okay, so this one is still publishing. He's almost published. So this is so dope. This is saving me so much time. You understand? Because my goal for 2026 is to publish 10 short form videos a day. 10 videos a day. I know some people are like, whoa, that's a lot of videos. That sounds crazy. When you understand how much traffic that brings and grows your business so you don't have to run paid ads, you'll really double. But then you're like, oh, John, it's manual for me to create content. I need a way that's automated. Oh, it's published. Okay, cool. So now if we go here and refresh, I'm posting content while I'm talking to you guys. Oh, this is sick. Okay, so here's the next one. There's the next batch of 5 videos. Oh, YouTube already posted right now. So if you go to my YT channel, it's already posted there. Dope. Oh, this saves me so much time. So right now, while I was talking to you, I just posted 2 videos across 5 social media channels. So I just posted 10 times while I was talking to you. Did it look like really hard? No, it wasn't hard. I just pressed 2 buttons. Do you want to press 2 buttons to publish your content? Join the community. This is so dope. I'm loving this app. Okay, so let's publish the next one. I have 20 videos I need published today. So it's like, this is saving me so much time. Okay, so this one needs to go out at 3 p.m. today at 5 p.m. and save schedule and publish. That's it for my job. That's all I do. Now the video is going to get written for the different texts and then get uploaded to schedule. Posting content just became fun because apps do all the work. This isn't NAN. If anyone tries to give you an NAN like template in 2026, please throw it back at them and say, no, do better, and say vibe code. Like, no, NAN templates, gone, irrelevant. Like 2026, you're going to cut your subscriptions by 50% by vibe coding your own custom tools. You're going to look at your subscriptions and you'll be like, why am I paying so much money for this subscription? I could just vibe code this in Claude, and Claude could just code it. Like a lot of you are paying for Go High Level. You can vibe code Go High Level, and then you don't need to pay $97 a month to Go High Level. Oops, the cat's out of the bag. Didn't hear it from me. What, John? You could... Okay, so now he's publishing. I wish publishing was a different color. Can you make publishing a different color that way I could distinguish as well too? Minor little change, but for the most of it, I'm happy. We've published 2 videos, our first 2 videos with no effort. No effort. This is so cool. This is the future when I want to show of like what's possible with AI. You have a challenge where you're doing things manually. I have to manually upload content 3 times a day across 6 social media channels. That takes 2 hours every day. Now that's going to be completely eliminated because this does the uploading. Once we finish the uploading, if we have time, the other side is going to be the creation. So we're going to create the digital AI avatar. Yes, a HeyGen avatar that looks exactly like this. Let me show you. So if you want, oh, hold on, it's going to lag. For anytime I do something on my computer, it will lag. So bear with me. I promise not to talk during the lags. Okay, avatar. This is a HeyGen avatar piece of content, completely created. It's talking about something topical that came out in the news. It writes the script, generates the voice, generates the avatar, generates the B-roll, does all the video editing, and publishes it for, guess how much? Less than $1 a video. Less than $1 per video, you could pump out stuff like this. So that's going to be part 2. That's another tool that's for free in the community. Link in the bio to join. So from here, that's the avatar part. So what are we doing here? So he's published, perfect. So if I refresh my screen, is this your own platform? No. Well, yes, technically, this is my own platform. Not this part. This is a service just for AI publication. There's 1 video, there's 2 videos, there's 3, there's 4, there's 5, and they're all scheduled for 3 p.m. today. Perfect. So that's good. Let's load up another video where I have 20 videos I need published like today and tomorrow, completely automated, so that like we need to feed the algorithm for today. So let me load up some more videos. Let me go. It's like, let's all go to the lobby. Let's all go to the lobby. Where's Paint? I have this as my tracking. Very sophisticated, but this is my tracker. So we need to go down to number 42. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Well, shoot. If this works, well, watch this. Let's just go all out. Ready? Ready? I'm just going to select all of them. There's what, 13, 20 files? Let's say there's 13 files, give or take. Boom. Uploaded 13 video files. All 13 now are being transcribed by AI. So AI is reading each video, and then it's taking the transcription from each of these. These are short form videos that I already created. Then it's taking the short form content or transcript, sending that to AI. So an AI agent with a custom prompt is writing the prompts for 5 social media channels. He's writing a different script for every channel that's different. So the blue app is different than the red app, let's say. Then once he finishes writing, there you go, watch him right now. You can see him already starting to transcribe. See, generating. And it's doing batches. This is the power. It's doing 13 at a time. You're doing 1 at a time in your business. Your competitors are doing 13, 20, 10 at a time. Just boom, done. I'm not doing any work. I'm talking to you guys. I'm sitting here managing my AI agents. This is the future. This is what AI agents are doing. Or past end-to-end workflows, or past custom GPTs, or past basic prompts. We're vibe coding custom apps that completely automate your social media content creation and uploading so that you can compete with people like me who are publishing 10 videos a day across 5 social media channels. That means I'm publishing 50 videos a day for my brand. And how many videos are you posting a day? That's the competition where AI, we're going to crush you if you don't have AI. By the way, link in the bio. Join the AI community, basically. $97 a month. We have classes. We're going to teach you how to do this technically next week. This week we're teaching GenSpark. We have live classes Tuesday through Thursday. We have courses on all this. Like, you could literally start learning Claude Code today instantly when you sign up. We have a full 1-hour Claude Code masterclass just ready to go. And then when you join, you get a 1-hour one-on-one session with me where I'll look at your business and show you how you can leverage AI automation to save you 20 hours a week in your business. This is saving me so much time. Okay, so these videos, it already, while I was talking to you guys, it just read 13 videos, transcribed, and wrote the text for 5 different social media channels for all 13 videos. Master 2K just joined. Welcome. Good to see you. Welcome to the community. Get that one-on-one and budget extra time after the one-on-one session. We're not just going to go for an hour. We're going to go deep. So definitely join. Okay, so now I get to just plan out. So we already have 3 videos going today. So 10, 9, 8, 7. So 7 more videos we need to go. So we need to schedule 1, So this one's gonna be scheduled for 4 p.m. today. I'm scheduling my content. Okay, it's 4 p.m. today. Let's go ahead and publish that one. Nice. Oh, this is dope. And then I want this one to go out at pretty much, shoot, it's gonna, actually we have some time. So this one's need to go out at 1:20. So 1:20 p.m. today. So the 5th, so that's gonna be scheduled, perfect. Let's do this one at 1, actually do this at 2:10 p.m. today. I'm telling you, I'm posting 10 times a day. Like do you understand how hungry I am for my goals? Like I am not messing around. Lock in 2025, leverage AI, automation, and agents. Master says, I want to make sure I attend. Please let me know the date and time. Don't worry, send me a DM in the community. You could chat with me all throughout in the community, and I got you. I got resources, I got links, we've got courses, you've got coaching, and then you can meet the other 145 other members in the community. That's where your mind is going to be blown. Seeing what other members are creating, what they're doing, leagues above what you're seeing. We don't teach ChatGPT in the curriculum for the AI consultant certification program. That's how we're way. So if you're messing with ChatGPT in 2025, oh, that was 2024 stuff. We need to level up. How long is the AI? Well, so there's the community, which is just affordable class training. So that's the link in the bio. So that gets you class training. That's $97 a month. It's affordable education. So it's meetings 5 days a week, 4 days a week, Tuesday through Friday, live classes with me Tuesday through Thursday. Fridays are office hours. We have courses, and you have also with chat and also coaching. Then if you want to become an AI consultant, send me a DM in TikTok. I have a 3-month program if you want to get fancy. Hold on, it's gonna, because some people, you could do amazing stuff like this. So if you're impressed with this stuff, this is Nano Banana. So we have, or I have, an AI consultant certification program if you want to become a consultant in 90 days and land. I guarantee you will land your first client in 90 days. We teach you not just AI, but also digital marketing, how to land your first client, what to sell. You want to sell coaching? Do you want to be a fractional AI consultant? Do you want to do the implementation and become an AI agency where you're building automation for clients? We'll show you the path. We'll show you the products and what people are buying. We'll give you the templates. It's a 90-day program. Also, yeah, that's how, so just send me a DM and I can send you this is the whole catalog basically for what you're going to learn in those 3 months. You're basically going to build a content automation app. So this is really dope because, okay, if you want to go real crazy, just people love visuals. This is where most people are. Basic users struggling with automation, no coding experience, working 8 hours in your week, dependent on others. You're doing some basic prompts. Then what you want to get to is you want to build multi-AI agent systems. That's basically my content, what this is right here. There's a whole AI agent workflow that's managing the content, that's doing the scheduling, that's writing the SEO, all that's agentic workflow. But it's custom created, so you'll learn how to custom create these. Vibe coding, basically. So building multi-agent agentic systems, production-grade automations. Yes, you will be coding in Python, JavaScript, all that fun stuff, but you will write no code. You won't have to write or learn how to code, although it will benefit you, but I'm going to treat you like a developer so that you learn the high-end stuff, but you don't need any coding experience in it. We're going to teach you how to automate your, we start with LinkedIn, but we're just going to show you how to automate all the content, short form, long form. Well, actually just short form. We haven't done long form yet. Orchestrating with MCP agents, building your own Jarvis, and then you could feel confident walking in any room where people talk about AI. You know exactly what they're talking about, and you could actually deliver value and be a stakeholder at the table instead of someone in the background going, oh, you don't know AI? Sorry, this isn't a room for you. Big people want to talk about AI and how they're leveraging it in their business to make more money and work less. So 90-day intensive program. 36 sessions with me 3 times per week. You do have to have, there is like prerequisites to it if you want to get super nerdy. Like there are prerequisites to it. Like you have to have a Mac, you have to be at least a basic user on that. And then, but you don't need any technical skills. No coding skills, no technical skills, no background in anything AI, because we're going to show you all of the tools that you need. We're going to show you what tools to use, in what way, so that when clients come to you, you're like, oh, that's an end-to-end automation. Oh, that's a custom GPT. Oh, that's custom vibe coded. Oh, we need to, what tool that for the client to help them automate their business, automate their marketing, sales, operations, for example. Let me see, how's my app doing? Hold on. We need to switch back because I need to publish 10 times a day. And so I need to get my content loaded up in the queue because my content needs to go out right now. This one's going to go at 3:10 p.m. Save. I just need to load up 7 videos for today and then 10 videos for tomorrow, and then we're good to go. This one's going to go out 4:20 p.m. today. Save. This one, how many do we have? Just need to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need 2 more for today. So this one is going to go out at 6 p.m. At 6 p.m. Perfect. And then one more. And then this one is going to go at, let's say 5:30. 5:30. I don't want to go too late. And then this one, actually just pump this one out. I'd rather actually have it go earlier. So let's do 2:30 p.m. today. Okay, schedule. Okay, and then these are going to go out tomorrow. So this one's going to be tomorrow, which is, we already did the 5th, so that's going to be the 6th. 6th is going to start at 6 a.m. schedule. This one's going to do 6:30 a.m. tomorrow. This one's going to be 7 a.m. This one's going to be, guess what? 7:30. 7:30 a.m. This one is going to be 8 a.m. 8 a.m. Okay. All our content is now scheduled to be loaded, so at least for the next 2 days. Perfect. So now I'm just going to click the publish button one at a time. And now it's going to publish to the 5 social media channels, but it's going to queue it up. It's going to schedule it to be loaded. So perfect. Let's see. The 3-month training, send me a DM if you're serious about it. I don't want to say the price on it here because we're going to raise the price too. That's the biggest thing. So let's see, is this Blotato? No, I canceled Blotato, honestly. It wasn't the best. So we actually using a different API on the back end. And then the custom database is done in Python, which is great. It's a Python database. The whole thing is just vibe coded in Python. Real simple. So we're just now going to just publish this. So I'm excited. And then this week we're going to be updating the calendar. So this week we're going deep in GenSpark. So if you really want to learn GenSpark, this week is like Tuesday through Thursday. We're going to go deep into documents, vibe coding, building websites in it, doing deep research, building presentations in it, automating your office work, images, video, text. That is Tuesday through Friday, every single week is at the same time. It's 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for 1 hour. And if you miss it, don't worry, it's recorded. And then the video replay is sent out to you guys at the end of the day. So perfect. Oh, this is dope. This is going to save me. You know how hard it was trying to get to like 10 videos a day? Like that, I was burning out. Like there's no way I could post 10 videos a day like the old like manual way. So that's why I was like, I need tools. And the tools never existed. And thank God for Claude Code, because that's why everyone is so like jazzed up about Claude Code, because he builds very complex projects. APIs, the logic automation. He makes learning NaN irrelevant. Like you don't need to do NaN or make.com or Zapier anymore. No need. Now you can just vibe code your own tool, give the APIs, let him do his thing. And then, okay, so this one's published. Perfect. Let's just load up the next one. So I'm just going to hit publish again. So there. And then if we go to our dashboard here, this is basically the whole, this is all the content all queued up, ready to go. So here's all our posts. And notice every post in every platform, each post and platform, like these two right here, for example, they're completely different texts too. I know it's a little hard to see, but they're completely different texts for different platforms. So all 5 platforms have specific written text for every single platform without me having to do anything. What's the API for posting? Join the community. I can't give it out. Can't give out all the secrets. Like, you guys could guess it. It's not that hard. It's not so much the API. You want the app. And the app is free. This is what you want. Okay, so right now he's publishing this one. Oh, this is me doing content now. I can finally publish 10 videos today with the press of a button. Boop. Boop. So I'm excited. This is going to save me dozens of hours. And then if you're in the community, I give it away for free. But the interesting thing is this will be the first one that is open source. So we're encouraging the members to since it's open source, you could remix, improve, and contribute back, because that's what the whole thing about the community is that we just give and share tools to help each other. So I'm very excited. Oh, that one's published. Sorry, I'm not paying attention to my robot right now. Queuing up some content. Go ahead and publish this one. Everything's a button. Wesley, what's up, Wesley? Happy Monday. We are publishing 10 pieces of content today at the same time, loading up the dashboard with all of this content all ready to go. This is all getting published today. So this is all loaded up. So then it frees me up time to go record 10 more videos, drop the videos in here, and they automatically get uploaded. SEO, custom text, different platform, multiple times, sporadically throughout the day. Perfect. My traffic is going to go just stupid parabolic. It already did for YouTube just 2 days in. My YouTube just went 10x. It's real funny. I'll show you guys the thing. It's do you want your content to spike like this? Let me airdrop this. Bloop, 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 bloop. Airdrop. What about Dublin? What's up with Dublin? So these, I just took these yesterday. Actually, no, this was this morning. Your traffic goes stupid parabolic with this content automation. No automation, look, no automation. Ooh, test. Okay, back to testing. Okay, production, release it. I 10x'd my content, and then this is also going to have an impact on watch time, revenue, subscribers, number go up. More volume of content, number go up. Hey, Justin. Justin says, hey, Dr. AI, does Claude Code matter for book writers? It's actually Claude for book writers, technically. So I'm writing a book that's coming out on Amazon. I'm going to be publishing, it's technically almost already written. I'm going to be releasing the publish date technically 3 months from now. So for writing, all of the writing is done in Claude Code, or Claude, not Code, but just regular Claude. We go to regular browser. So if you're authors, book writers, oh, it's going to lag. Give me a moment. So if you're authors, just do it in Claude Code. Just create a project folder. Put all your documents, your PDF references, your notes, your voice transcriptions, and you could technically write a whole book in 30 days. So using AI and Claude. Highly recommend it. My book's almost done with mine. Mine's right now, I'm just going through the images and final review, which is one of the things. So, oh, John, you're not looking at your app. How's it doing? Oh, so he published. Okay, so let's publish this one. I just have to press the publish button. I don't know if I could do multiple at a time. We'll chill. We're just kind of we're still in testing phase, still in beta. Do we does this? But it is loading them all up, all ready to go, which is so nice. Translate, so hold on, so it doesn't lag. Translate languages. Oh, yes, you can translate it and dub this in any language. So technically you use HeyGen if you want this dubbed in any language, basically. That would be one of the biggest things. Nice. Nice. So yes, you can dub it in any different language. What we're trying to also finish with this one. So this one is working and I don't see any bugs yet, which is good. So knock on wood. He is publishing the content. The next thing is we need to move to we have a whole nother app. So I think we're gonna load him up. So he's still publishing. We need to just monitor these things to make sure once he's published, we could go to the next one. Now let's open file, new window. Now we're going to open another project. Perfect. Okay, cool. Sorry, just appointment scheduling. So do a separate account for the top 5 languages and 5 content? Yes, technically. So 3 ways to grow your content. Number 1, increase the volume of your current output. Number 2, create clipping accounts. So create separate accounts and distribute in separate accounts. Level 3 is now you do separate accounts, but then in separate languages. So hit your major languages. Works great for YouTube as well too. Then you could dub all your content using HeyGen in any language, honestly, all 175 different languages, and it will lip sync too. So it will look like, so let me show you a demo. I don't know if this audio will come out though. No, the sound won't. The sound won't come out, but she speaks German, she speaks different ones, all different ones. And so this is HeyGen. You upload it, and then it will dub it in many different languages. Forgive me, if you you can just search this. She talks multiple languages, and this is the easiest. That's HeyGen. Technically, you'll use it for creating your content, basically, which is what we're going to... Oh, that one's published. Okay, let's go to the next one. Publish. I'm just publishing all 13 videos at the same time. Oh, they're going to be published today. Oh wait, we're not almost done. These are all ready. Those are all published. And then this has persistent memory. So I could just close this app, pick it up, and open it, and it remembers all the data. So all the data is stored on my computer, which is nice. There's no need for this to be a cloud app kind of thing. Hello, hello. On TikTok. Hello, T. We are vibe coding. Okay, so this one is publishing. Just kind of keeping track of how our apps are doing. This is loading up pretty nicely. Nice. We have 120 to upload, but we could just upgrade to unlimited. Cool. So that's good. Now, while he's doing that, let's open this one. Okay. I want you to focus on the Content Automation Machine 2.0, and we're going to run a test. So check out the README files and set up and launch the server. Launch the commands and set up Pokemon. Oh, we need to spawn more Pokemon too. You're not vibe coding unless you have some, what's a good slinking? Little Pokemon to spawn up. Because right now Claude is vibe coding. Now the app needs a regional duplication policy mode with content generation flows, at least for subs. Interesting. That would be interesting. A regional duplication policy. Yeah, the more important thing is actually the feedback loop system. What that means is that you're publishing content. What actually is more important is which of the videos that you're posting or your competitors are posting are getting more views. Okay, feed that back into your system so that it generates content in the likeness of the viral videos. So that's where we're eventually run a feedback loop system here. Hopefully he didn't, oh shoot. No, localhost 502 is already. No! No, change it to 503 port. Oops, I may just killed my automation on the other side. Yes, kill that server. Trying to have two AI agents on the same port is no bueno. So that means I got to go back to my other app and say, hey, relaunch. And relaunch server. Oh. Wait, what is this? I've never gotten this error. Hold on. Weird. I've never gotten that error before. That was weird. So change the colors, and then can you do batching? I want a feature. Also, I want a feature where I can just, once the dates are set, I could just select all and just say publish. And then it will go through automatically and publish each record at the time. So build that automation as well too. Okay, so now, like, might as well. Like, why should I do the work and press the button every single time? Once I set the dates, I'm happy. Select all, publish, and let him publish all, and then I don't have to check in every single 5 minutes to click publish. Now we're getting into just one button, publish 13 videos times 5 platforms. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. This is VS Code. That's just Pokemon on VS Code. But this as well. Okay, so then these guys. So we have another app over here. So that's going to be so he's going to reload. Oops. And he's not happy. So he's rebuilding. And him, yes. I need to like name my workspaces basically. Okay, so this one's up on server 5003. Okay, so this is the most advanced one. This is the new one. This one actually creates the avatar content. So if you want to see how to create the avatar content, that's this one. And then the other one, we'll close this. Perfect. And the other one here, he's rebuilding, adding an endpoint for bulk with schedules. Now he's checking, because that would be super dope. Because the data is already there in transcribe. It's like just click and publish. It should also save the dates technically, which is so nice. Now he's going to start the server. Start that server. Start that server. Hey, Sarah. We're vibe coding. The app works. It's so dope. And if you're in the community, you get it for free. Hi, Sarah. I was trying to go earlier just so I could say hi to you. Say hi, Sarah. Okay, so so we basically have two apps going at the same time. We have the one that we finished yesterday, which was basically the content uploader that uploads and schedules the 5 social media channels. That's this one. He's working. We added a new feature where I guess you just select these guys. I shouldn't do this. Oh wait, you can only select one. Oh no, you can't. Okay, cool. Okay, select all the oh, wait a minute. Okay, all the videos are selected. They all have a due date of when they're going to get published. Oh dang, it just clears. Hey, there's a bug when I go to select the boxes. Sometimes it doesn't save the selection for me to select. And then actually when the button for publish already, just to confirm, that button I shouldn't have to select. It just publishes all the videos that are ready to get published. Just to confirm and make sure that feature is there. Okay, this will actually be better. Holy snikes, because then I press one button and it'll instantly just publish all. That's gonna break some stuff. Why do I feel like that's gonna break a lot of stuff? That's gonna be crazy. And if you want to learn how to vibe code, join the community. Teaching you Claude Code. GenSpark's gonna be this week. Claude Code is gonna be next week. We're gonna teach you from scratch how to set up and how to do all of this. Because you're pretty much just chilling, waiting. So basically, while I'm talking to you guys, we're just getting the system up so that it publishes 10 times a day. That's insane. That just blows my mind of like, wow. YouTube's going to go bonkers for these. Okay, so everything's kind of working. Okay. Let me refresh. Okay, so now I just press the green button. Should I press the button? Put in the chat. Press the button. Press the button. Press it. Press it. Press it. Boop. Oh, I don't think I pressed it. Oh no, I did press it. It's running. So I shouldn't have to manage him. So technically, if we watch this just for a little moment, technically, those two will get finished, and then he'll load up 2 more, technically. That's what I really want to see if he does that. Oh my. Oh my. This may just get super interesting. I want to see you publish and then load up another one. Show me you could do all the work, Claude. Show me. Do all the work for me. You should have an indicator next for upload. I know, yeah, I should have something that's like a status bar. It's kind of just a waiting. It takes it's like a minute 30, 2 minutes sometimes to upload, because it's making 5 individual requests so that it could do the individual content. Holy jeebus. I want to see you do it. I want to see the automation. Automation. This is just so exciting. Oh, so the other one is working right now too, which we're gonna work on and see if we can do that one. Claude Code is not the fastest kit on the block, but so cool. Yes, like there's Minimax, there's GLM, the 4. I think it's 4.6 or 4.7 series. Kimi is another one that's out there. So the Chinese models are getting better. And for Jared, we vibe coded a content automation app. So we're just testing to see how reliable it is to do bulk stuff, like bulk uploading and bulk updating, which we just have to be patient. It should confirm. You got this, buddy. You got this. Oh, so this is so... Okay, and then we have the other one. I don't want to move him right now. But the other one we're going to launch in a moment. That's this one right here. This is the one that we're going to test next because this one's more beefier. This one will actually create the video, actually creates the videos. So we're going to test him out. Should have more of a status bar, but it's more of just like waiting. The API just does take time to upload to them. Published. But then it's not, okay, I want to see maybe the other one gets published and then it loads up 2 more. Like, that's what I want to see. I want to see it. Do you ever figure out how they auto do the B-roll? Well, we did it through, it's not the nicest way, but just generating 2 Sora videos that are like 15 seconds each and then stitching them together is like the most cheapest, but to a degree. But there's still better quality that you could do from there. And then FFmpeg, as you mentioned, for editing as well too. And then as well too, ShotStack, we're going to see if how far we get with the video editing in ShotStack, but we may abandon it and just go to FFmpeg because I need to do layers, which is going to be interesting. Hey buddy, how you doing? How you doing, buddy? Happy thoughts, happy thoughts. Man, you got this, buddy. You got this. Publish. Publish that video. And then go get more videos. Maybe, oh, then we only have 3 more, which is nice. So suspenseful. Okay, so at least with the other one, I don't want to switch tabs. It's like watching paint dry, I know. But at the same time, it's like, will he do batch? That's a big feature, because then that would be a feature that will save a ton. FFmpeg is really affordable, so it makes sense. Yeah, especially for the video editing, because like at the end, it's like just stitching them and doing layers would be very interesting. And Claude's going to do all of it, which is nice. I think it's going to be worth it. And then there's a lot of other things I want to do to reduce the API costs. Because this will cost a amount, but there's ways to save your save your GenSpark credit or save your token credits. Buddy, did you get hiccup? Did you get stuck? How do we need to check the terminal? Do we just need to be more patient? Good question. I don't have a terminal. Give me the terminal command to run so I can check the log and see how he's doing. Or scan the log and see how he's doing. I don't know if the second video or if it's stuck or it's just waiting. You need a data center. Oh, soon. Well, home server is going to be the biggest thing. Definitely getting into a home server would be so dope. Because then you could run your own large language model. That's what one of the members we were talking about is basically getting into local, private, large language models where all your data is basically secure. It's not shared with AI. It's running locally. I think he hiccuped, so that's okay. Working well. First one did it. The second one is in progress. It's uploading to Cloudinary and could take a couple minutes for videos. Once that completes, they'll give us a file we can monitor. And then I think this to monitor yourself. Yep, here's the terminal command. So I want to look at some terminal commands because I feel like a hacker every time I open up the terminal. How are we doing in here? Oh, we're just starting the log. Okay, so just starting the log. Ooh, I feel like a hacker. That's what I'm working on. It's a challenge, but fun. Oh, you're in data center stuff level? Like, yo, let's talk more. Because, yeah, things get interesting. Oh, look. Upload complete. I know it's like super small. Maybe if that will help, but like super small. But, okay, Cloudinary complete. So then he's now uploading to the social media. Okay, so we just had to be patient. And now, oh, he sent the payloads to the API. So the API, the video is getting processed. I love me some status updates. Oh my God, this is so dope. So dope. We're still at publishing. Oh, now we're getting super sophisticated. You're building AI systems from scratch just for fun? Please document, post on YouTube, share what you're working on so that we all can learn and grow together. Okay, now he's just getting the status from the API to just, I guess, confirm that he's just uploaded, which, okay. So that means for this process, I would just drop the videos in, click run, or do the dates, and then click run all, and then just let this run. Was it because that video was so big? Like, what? Why did that video? There's no other videos that he's kind of working on. How do you find clients? Content, ads, cold outbound. 3 ways. Have you tried other IDEs? I've tried Anti-Gravity, which is great. It's more simple for Anti-Gravity, but mostly we're just hanging out and just VS Code has been my most one. Do you recommend any good ones? Let me know which ones you recommend. There's some really dope ones like for AI and stuff. YouTube post successful. Moving to the next process one. Oh, so it posts and then you get a confirmation. And now wait, are you uploading the video every single time for the different social media link, or are you repurposing the same link, upload once to Cloudinary and then using that link to then publish, or are you uploading every single time, which is why? And also it failed. Why did it fail? No, Claude, it failed. How dare you make it fail? Bugs. How many of us have them? Bugs. Ones we don't depend on. Bugs. I want a rap song about bugs by Busy Marquee. Friends, how many of us have them? Talking about bugs. How many of us squash them? Okay, right now he's fixing the... Yo, Claude, go and frolic. And good question, let me answer both. Cloudinary upload is once per video, reuse for all platforms. Yes, the Cloudinary upload is once per video, and that same URL is upload for all 6. You can see here, okay, why it failed. Publishing to Cloudinary, upload failed, video cannot be found. was published earlier and then it moved to the processor. When it moved, maybe you click publish already twice. Yeah, I did click it twice. When the video successfully, yeah. User error. Okay, cloud and error uploads once. The failure was a race condition. Blank was already processed, so it tried to do it again. Okay, yeah. I got impulsive. I pressed the button twice because I was like, it didn't work, and I pressed it again, and I was like, oh, that probably is gonna break something, and sure enough, it did. It sent to request, and it got hiccup. So I was like, okay. So, so then we just retry. Right. Or, oh no, now it's publishing. Can we also retry that one? We're not bad. We're like 1 out of 10, like almost there. Like, not bad. I had like the colors. I'm like, ooh, it's colorful. Got a little status colors customized. Like, this is nice. Very nice. I want to get to the content automation part of it, but we're almost there. Friends, how many of us have them? The API service is like, yo, you've already reached 50% capacity. Like, wow. Nice. Okay. Now, do you change the post text or titles to match the platform or just post once to all? Do you change the post text or titles to match the, do you change the, yes, I do change the post text to match for each one, which is interesting. So now he's kind of just working on publishing. Nice. Friends, how many of us have them? Talk about friends. Ones we can depend on. Okay, so these I hope are getting all posted, which I think they are. They technically should be going straight to the web too. Yep. Those are all good. We should technically see some of these back here. Start to publish. Nice. Yeah, YouTube published, but some of the other ones as well too. So now, okay, so sorry, getting distracted. These are still getting uploaded. I'll leave him alone. Which one are you doing for? It's technically called Get Late. No, Get Late is like the name. I think it's called Late. Is it? Something like that. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. All right, so he's working. Let's see if we could get some of the other one to kind of start working right now. Okay, so from this one, I think we just paste an article. URL or paste from text. Let's say I'll go TechCrunch. Say I want to create a video about Everything's about CES. Let's do a CES one. Okay. I'm just going to copy this whole article. Man, articles are short. Really not much there. Okay, so let's pop that in here. Paste the text. Make this bit of middle of funnel. Okay. Pressed add and process text. Claude. Dang, Claude's getting all these error messages. I've never seen Claude get these error messages. Right now we're trying to figure out this. Well, there's two bugs right now. We're just trying to figure out the content uploading. So this guy, when I press the button, he's not doing it. So when I paste the text, also remove the title. We just want to paste the text. When I click add and process text, nothing happens. Okay, go ahead and fix that little bug right there, Claude. Now, let's see what he's doing. He understands the issue. API endpoint requires da 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 da. He's going to fix that. Yes, you may go and fix that, Claude. That would be great. And then we have our other one, which what he's doing. Oh, no, it's still publishing. Gosh, it's taking a long style. Check the log. I think we're publishing one video. How is it doing? And why does it take so long? I think it's cloud. Well, I'm using a cloud service to basically store the videos. Just join, help me understand what's going on. We vibe coded two apps, one to create content, one to upload and publish content. So we're testing both apps at the same time. On one app, we already have content, and right now it's already being published to the web, but we're fixing some bugs to try and make it do all of the work, which is nice. And then on the other one here, this is the content creation. So this one creates the digital avatar, talking head one, but we're just working through bugs. We're going to run through the first iteration of testing. Z Family Review says, where's the link to become an AI consultant, and is it different than the community? Yes, the community is just classes and courses, so you're kind of on your own to show up, stay committed, and implement the stuff that we teach from the classes. You get tech support, and then also from the courses as well too. But if you want like one-on-one, actually they're small group, so the classes are like 6 to 10 students, but then you get direct access to me. We meet multiple times a week, and then I walk you from step one all the way to become an AI consultant, and then how to do digital marketing and land your first client. So that's why it's a little different. So if you're looking to actually land a client from AI consulting, that's what the certification program is. In 3 months, land your first client, and then you're set to make 2026 your most profitable year yet, because everyone is looking for a consultant in your world. Everyone's like, who's the consultant? Who do you know that really knows AI, that doesn't just do custom GPTs and chat GPT? They're like, we want advanced stuff, like vibe code content automation apps. So server should reload with changes. Now paste the text, and she should auto-generate. Okay, so if we copy this, refresh, paste text, and I want middle of funnel. Oops. Okay. Oh, it's generating the script. Oh, and now it's generating the voice. This will be equivalent to like an end-to-end workflow, just no different, but now it's just in Claude Code. So very similar to like an end-to-end where it's going through the stages, is producing a video, a talking avatar video from this article that I just pasted. That's what we're building right here. Is that workflow orchestrates like end-to-end? Actually, yeah, I'm actually glad you said that. It functions it's the exact same like function like type style. It's just written in code, but you get a dashboard to kind of visually see. So right now he's generating voice using Fish Audio, which I think is like the most hyper realistic. So let's see if he joins. And then for the join the community, it's the link in the bio. To join, it's this website to join the community. And then if you join the community, you get a one-time 1 hour one-on-one session with me, which is nice. Generating the voice. So wait, I should be able to go to fish.audio and check out some of these APIs that we're doing. I'll log in. It's going to lag a moment. There we go. Okay, cool. So this replicates my voice. So this one clones better than 11 Labs, honestly. I did not like 11 Labs. So here we should have like a history of usage here, I would imagine. Like, oh, he finished. No, he's generating voice. That's the same thing. So can you check the log? Can you check the logs and tell me how he's doing on like the voice and the other stuff? We need to see. Say the name of the orchestrator one more time. Which one's the orchestrator? Because it's not NAN, it's just Claude Code. It's just pure raw code, just raw code. I forgot to sign up for Fish yesterday. It had a 75% off and I missed it. What? What? Sarah, you're on the deals. I would subscribe to Sarah's newsletter where she just publishes, here's the deal of the month for AI. I would be like, thank you, Sarah. I'd pay for a software or like a subscription, a newsletter, like a Beehive paid newsletter for that. Like that'd be so clutch. It's like the easiest business model where you just go find the deals, send people the email and just call it a day. Send it bi-weekly. Twice a month, that's all. Nothing more. I don't need anything extra. Just let me know what deals, and then I'll look out for Sarah's newsletter. I'm serious. Okay, let's check the log. How's he doing? Server's running fine. Content's created. It's being processed. Looking good. The server is polling, waiting every 30 seconds. We're waiting for Fish Audio to get done. Oh no, well, currently there are no items in the waiting status. All those polling items return 22, but it's empty because based on no queue showing, the text, paste, and auto process did work. Your content item was created and processed. The item should now be in the YouTube title done status. The checkpoint where you review the script before generating the voice. Check the dashboard and you should see that the content item on the table, a continue to voice button if it has a status. Continue to vote. Oh, okay. Sorry, I'm reading the manual to my new software app in real time. I'm kind of like building the plane and writing the manual while I'm flying it at the same time. So I'm learning how to use my own app. So he says to basically, can I click in? I should be able to see the script here. Generated content, yep, that's the B-roll, that's the captions, full article. So where do you get the script? Oh, there's the script. Okay, CSS just kicked off and you're not gonna believe what Yep, that's a 30-second script. Okay, cool. I was looking for like, where's the script? So he saved the script. He wrote all of this from that article. All I did was paste the article and he wrote the prompt. He basically wrote all the prompts for everything. That's like step one for the video, is like write all the prompts for everything. So he wrote all the prompts for the image, the video, everything. And now I just go continue to voice. Start voice generation, yes. Ooh, now it's going to go generate the voice and the avatar. Let's see, for you, what's the roadmap to follow if I want to become an AI consultant? Send me a DM and I'll send you the roadmap. But it's the easiest. It's like you got to go. It's like two-part skills. It's like one part is the AI skills. You got to go custom GPTs, GenSpark, AI agents, all the way to vibe coding and building custom apps and NAN. So you can basically build any automation for a client. Recommend the best tools. And then on the other side, oh, he's creating the Heijin avatar right now. He's creating the Heijin avatar right now with the voice from Fish Audio. Oh, this is so dope. I'm creating content right now. Oh, by pressing buttons and the things are doing the things. And we're going to simplify a lot of this guy because he has a lot of extra stuff. So we'll simplify the workflow. This is why I love automating. Automating is life. We should make like t-shirts, merch, like automate the world. Like instead of hack the planet, automate the planet. Save us time so that we press buttons and things happen and work gets done and we don't have to do work. We could basically press buttons and talk to each other while we're live streaming, co-working online. Okay, so while he's doing that, oh, looks like he's almost finished. Okay. This one, I think he got stuck. Check the logs, but I think he got stuck and just needs to restart. So figure out what was the bug and why he got stuck. Story knowledge is way too clean, so checking the little log right now. Ninja followed, Sun followed. Wow, thank you for all the follows. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to the new chat where we are showing you how to automate your business with AI so that you don't have to do the work. All the work gets done for you, which is so nice because am I the only one that's enjoys the automation works? It's so like pressing buttons and the thing happens, like the relief of I don't have to do this hours and hours of work because I have to do this every single day, but I want to post 10 times a day. So you have to go right into automation no matter what. And this is great because it pushes you as problem solving. It was in the middle of publishing and uploading when it got server restarted, the background thread killed. Oh, okay. Refresh the dashboard and you can now, okay, click. So let's refresh our dashboard. This is our content publisher. Those are ready. Okay, so now if we do publish all, ready? Press the button. Press the button. Publish all of them. Yeah, this is what you get to do when you do automation. You get to press buttons that, oh, I gotta press this right. Okay, don't press it twice is the rule. So now, now this one is going to publish, and then it should go and take this one as well too. So, and then I think we'll redo the failed one, just restart him. But that's good. And then, how are you doing? Looks like it's still working on the Heijin avatar. So the Heijin avatar. So I should be able to go to Heijin. So now I'm logging into Heijin. Okay, it needs an email. What's the email login? Because I should be able to see. Oh, I used it. Yeah. To generate, wait, there we go. To generate the audio for the script, it cost me 1 penny. To my voice to talk for 40 seconds cost 1 penny. That's so cool. Okay. Now Heijin. Yep. There's Heijin. There's the video processing. That's we sent the API request. The video's in the oven. It's getting baked. It's baking right now. John doesn't have to do any of the work. Yeah. Oh my God. Automation happens automatically with the press of a button. Now, granted, there's like 4 to 10 hours of vibe coding. Actually, probably 10 to maybe 20 hours of vibe coding that you're not seeing technically. You spend your, I know I'm going all the API. I'm like, I don't go to casino or Vegas, but man, will I spend a lot on, I'm like, fund that token credit budget. Like 16% to create the avatar. I'm happy with that. This avatar looks really nice. This is gonna be, I need to run him through like an enhancer so he puts actual pores on your face and looks a little more real, but he will suffice. Okay, so these guys, oh look, it published. Yeah, there's the automation. He published, and now he's gonna publish the next one down. So he's working. I got AI agents working for me. I'm publishing 10 videos at a time on one video while producing 10 videos, another batch of 10 videos on the other side. Produce, publish, just batches. And then technically it should take me roughly no more than an hour every day to kind of like get this down. But now it's 1/10 of the work. It's completely automated, 95% of the work. I just have to press the buttons and manage it, debug a bug here or there. There's always going to be bugs. Your software is never perfect, but you will get there. Okay, so he's automating our content, which is so awesome. Alex followed. Thank you for all the follows. Welcome to the new people. If you want to learn how to automate your content or become an AI consultant, join the AI community. That's where we have courses on everything. Okay, so he's working there. HeyGen is just processing. And then we have our 2 apps right here and those 2 over there. Okay. Wow. Interesting. It didn't really cost anything. You may be able to link it to YouTube for bulk upload. Oh, Sarah, you stretch my thinking. Just get the content farm, just start pumping out content, and it just, we're gonna get there. We're starting the year with this automation. Where you think where we're gonna be by the end of this year if we're starting the year with this stuff? Game over, Sega. Sweet. Taking more than 7 minutes, but that's okay because it's all happening in the cloud. Axon Group, what's up? We have our 101 session later this week. Looking forward to it. Everyone in the community, end of day, I will update the calendar for the week of the calendar. I know the calendar is blank, but I will update that end of day. What's up? We're testing out the second phase, which is the content creation automation. We did the content uploading automation, which he's working. He's already done. Let's retry this one. Oh, we need to change this. Okay, that's okay for the date. Retry. Are you going to retry? Hey buddy, are you going to retry? Do I have a status? Let me go to here. Double check the error for the failed one. I clicked the retry button a couple times. I don't know if I just triggered it multiple times or is he running or... Guys, when I hit the retry, I would like to see him. I thought he did, but I don't know if he's stuck. Okay, I got to talk to my software developer. Axon Group's like, yeah, hire 2 cold callers from the Philippines. I need your help to integrate Kixi into your CRM. We'll look at the what their API is. There's probably some Zap, and probably either Zapier, NAN, or Make.com, or some webhook, basically. I mean, or we just send a custom JSON payload, basically, and you just run it on your own computer. That's another way. There's many different ways to to connect, automate, and streamline. So if you guys want to connect apps, streamline, connect them to like things happen automatically, definitely. Okay, so how are we doing over here? HeyGen's still in the oven. I don't think the video, how long? Let's see. Still creating a HeyGen. Yep. That was a long time to create the HeyGen. How long was the audio file? Oh, technically I should be able to see from like Fish Audio. I should be able to see like the file that they use. Build your own will be the quote of the year. Yeah, that's a great quote is just build your own like software like integration. Like for me, Nano Banana, I'll just go vibe code. I have like two custom tools that are vibe coded in Google AI Studio using Nano Banana Pro. One for thumbnails, one for presentations. So it's like, yeah, build your own custom. It's like 3D printing. Like you can now literally create whatever you want. This was the credit and usage, but oh, finished, pending. That's interesting. I should technically see. He may not have the audio. I don't think Fish Audio grabbed the audio file. I could be wrong. Let's see here. I need this guy. I could be wrong, but we're generating the HeyGen right now, but I'm looking at the log. I don't see a fish.audio like file in the log. Just confirm it's there. And what did we send to HeyGen? I see the video and it's loading, but it's still stuck at like, it shouldn't take this long to process the video. So I'm like, what did we send? Build your own AI tools will be the quote of the year. For sure, that's one of the biggest things. Okay, found the detail in the logs. Here's what happened. Yeah, tell me what happened. Tell me a story. It started, generated, script, characters, voice, generated, uploaded audio. Here's the audio completed. Okay, perfect. I want to hear the audio file. Okay, so that's my voice. It's 40 seconds. It did generate the avatar voice. He sounds a little boring. Okay, so it did. You just can't see the history here, which is interesting. Okay, that's fine. And then HeyGen, 13 minutes. Still working. Okay, so then HeyGen, pipeline's working correctly. Fish Audio created it. Audio was sent. HeyGen received the file and he started. Now we're just waiting for HeyGen. It takes about 3 to 10 minutes for lip syncing. We're polling every 30 seconds. Okay, everything's okay, basically. He's automating the AI avatar content. I am just impatient. I want it now. And he's like, wait 10 minutes, John. And I'm like, I'm hungry now. And he's like, no, John, wait 10 minutes. I'm like, no, now. I want it now. Give me the automation now. Because basically what you're creating is an avatar that looks like this. That's the video that we're creating. The audio is okay. How can we just kind of brainstorming here? The audio from Fish Audio, he sounds kind of monotone. what are some options I have to like enhance the prompt or to put stuff in there with like to add a little excitement or to the tone? Maybe even choosing a different S model or something like. Just kind of brainstorming here, Claude. Let's chat. What do you think we should do for this? Welcome. Was it Money Joy? I see you sharing the live. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. And then Axon Group, I can't wait to dive into your Claude lesson. I'm really excited for that. Start with the Claude Code course. In 1 hour, you will go from beginner with Claude, set up VS Code, build a website, and even deploy it all the way to the web. That will go all there. And then I'll show you how to do it. So it's like only costs like $3 a month for the website. And then we're going to be building the Vibe Code app next. Nothing active right now. The dashboard should be clean. Refresh it and you should see the failed records. The failed 50 was a duplicate entry. The actual thing was already published. Oh, it was a deleted orphan. Okay. Okay, that makes sense. I'm talking to the other one. Wow. Wow. So we just published 13 videos, completely uploaded, SEO. 10 are getting published today. Another 5, I think, is getting published tomorrow. Sorry, I have to celebrate. One moment. Oh, it's automation. Oh, I don't have to do it anymore. Oh, more automation, more. I'm excited. I am excited. Oh, yes. That means it's like game on. I'm publishing 10 a day. Game on. Like this is going to 10x the traffic to my lead or to my social media channels, then to the website. Let's go. If you play with Fish Audio Bid, you can have some very high quality emotions. Dial in on automation. I 100% agree that in here, oh look. So he's gonna figure emotional parameters. I love me some emotional parameters because he sounds kind of like monotone. Okay, so wow, I need to do a video. So I kind of want to publish more videos right now, but I don't want to do that right now. This is already, we already have the queue is already queued up. Gosh, we're already going to even, we're going to be uploading anyway, so. Oh, you know what I should do? No, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I was thinking of like just, I could save a little extra here, but it's not going to cost anything extra. So, wow, we just published so many records. Oh, the avatar is done. The AI avatar is done. Okay, so what's the automation now? Yep. Okay. The automation. Okay, so we have the avatar. Okay, so then now we generate the B-roll. Let's generate the B-roll. Also add confetti to your app too. Very like, now he's putting that in the queue to generate B-roll. So now he's going to go to Kai, go to use like Sora 2 prompt. If it hits a policy error, which most likely 1 out of 3 will fail because of policy error from Sora 2, then it would just default in it. I think it uses Kling, K-L-I-N-G, as the default one. And then it'll just default to that in case you can't generate the B-roll. But now, as you can see here, we are now stitching together all of the elements to create one 40-second talking head video. We already have the avatar here. Let's check out our avatar. We need to double the speed. We need to like 2x the speed. So let me go to fish.audio. We need to like dial in the voice. Because right now he sounds super slow motion and I don't want to do super slow motion. So we're going to use this voice and we're going to dial in the settings here. We have, okay. So I want the speed 1.2, temperature control gives you higher, gives you more emotion, lower gives you more stability. I want a little higher on the temperature. TOP, what is this? Gives more consistently, but also sounds more rigid. I don't want rigid. Let's bump that up just a little bit. Volume looks good. High quality mode on. We're doing the premium features and we're using, there's S1 and there's S1.6. Let me compare 1 versus 1.6. I know, I can't make the audio. That actually works really well. Hold on. I'm sorry you guys can't hear. When you look on TikTok, you will be able to hear, unfortunately. I just got to fix the audio. I don't know. There's one thing. I'm testing which one expressive do I like. Is he more express? It's super realistic. Like dialing in these parameters right here, if you can see. You guys can't see. Hold on one second. So I always want to show you guys what I'm doing. So basically, I'm dialing in my voice. They have different models, S1 and S6. So one's more emotional than the other one. These are already really good. So, and then I increased the speed 1.2. That worked really well. He was like super monotone in the audio file. He was talking like that, and I was like, bro, speed that up. So we sped him up. The temperature and the top, we cranked that up just a little bit, but I'm happy with that. So the difference between the models, 1.1 and 1.6, I don't really hear much of a difference. Like, unless I know what's the cost. This is fish.audio. They're like 11 Labs, but just different. They do the exact same thing, 11 Labs. It's just text to voice, but they could clone your voice with a 90-second video clip, which is terrifying. So I'm testing. Oh, wait, they're exact same. Duh. Okay, so this is S1, S1, and then what is S1.6? You got to hit regenerate. I thought it didn't regenerate every time, so hit regen so that it regenerates. No, I don't like that. I don't like 1.6. I like S1. S1 is perfectly cloned my voice. Terrifying. Okay, so use these for the settings. So this is the video drop, this one here. I dialed in the settings for fish.audio, replicate these settings for the fish audio portion, and then I want to set it up so I regenerate a whole, just another, like how do I regenerate another one? I just started over basically. Oh, I could just like, do I just change the statuses? Basically. Do I just change the status option of it? Oh, that is terrifyingly good for the voice model. It is terrifyingly accurate of my voice, which is terrifying. So we will see how that goes. What are you guys working on? Put it in the chat. You guys working on some work, building something, taking over the world? Fishstyle audio settings are updated. Now to regen, you have two options. Change the status back to title done. This resets everything before the voice generation. So clicking continue to voice will regenerate everything. The item callback is already passed, so he's going through and just setting up my environment for another test, because we're just going through tests. It's going to take 1 or 7 tries basically to get through it. He dialed in my settings for Fish.audio. Perfect. So now if we regenerate the voice here, so here, generate voice, we need to YouTube title done. Okay, and then generate voice items. Okay, so now he's sending another request to Fish Audio to generate a new voice with the new settings. So he should sound much more. Oh, we got confetti. He just celebrated. He's updating, and now he's going to generate the avatar. So now he's making a request to HeyGen, all completely automatically, with me not doing any extra work. Yeah, computers are awesome. Oh man, this is dope. So now he's taking the audio file and then he's going to HeyGen. This was great for version 1, but we will improve. We dialed that in. Let's go HeyGen. JS, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the chat. Wesley, how's it going? Lutendo, Sarah, we got the MVPs in the house. Okay, so now that was the previous one. Oh, create the avatar. Double check, but double check. I think I went to. Oh, no, we're good. Never mind. Me being impatient, I just didn't wait. There's a status bar that says, "Hey, we are sending it to HeyGen." HeyGen is basically working right now so that we will have a digital avatar that looks exactly like. Oh, there's the new request. Sent right to the API, just to put it in the oven. Okay, so it takes roughly like 10 minutes to create the avatar, which is fine. Consider 10 minutes versus me getting on camera, me reading the script, me editing, me making mistakes, me going through and hating myself because I hate talking about content. And it's like, oh my God, I hate that video. I got to redo it. I made a mistake. There's a booger on my nose or something like that. Got to do it over again. UCG followed. So we're basically creating AI avatar content that looks like this. This guy right here. This is my AI avatar that creates content, so I don't have to. I know you can't hear audio, but this is version 1. It does sound like my voice, but this is, there we go. This is version 1 of the voice. Is HeyGen 4 a big improvement? It's gotten pretty better, yeah. Especially like with the mannerisms and stuff like that. Like you can prompt them to be a little more expressive of what you want to do. So yeah, they streamed it. They stopped making them so expressive unless you actually want them more expressive, I think is the best way. He is terrifyingly accurate. Terrifyingly accurate. I like how the service is like, you've used 80%, 50%, 90%. You're using all of the percents of all the things that you need to basically, I'm like, yes, completely automate this. So this is now running in another batch right here. Okay, so we dialed down the voice. Those are all the credits. We're waiting for HeyGen. And then from here, this was a great app. After this, I'm going to just record a video that's like a how-to video for my future self. To be like, here's how to upload. But technically, eventually, this won't be necessary because it would just be part of the automation. And the other one, it would just completely, automatically just publish, basically. So now he's working on that. Duro, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Thank you for the follow. Start becoming one of those NPCs. Thank you for the follow. Bricka, bricka, bricka. Thank you for the follow. Thank you for the like. Thank you for the heartbeat. Those NPCs on TikTok are like pretty wild. Like it is pretty crazy what they do. But shout out to oh, I thought so-and-so. I thought he joined. He hasn't joined yet. Oh, he hasn't accepted the invite yet. The invite got sent out. Okay. Very nice. I have to respond to a lot of... oh, you sent me info on the consulting? Let me send you... where's the best... Okay, hold on. I'm going to give you the whole curriculum for the AI Consultant Certification Program. And... they're going to be content shared with other people. Let's see. Public share files. Yeah, this is the 3-month AI certification program. So I'll just do this new folder. Consultant certification program. Because there's presentations and then there's slides, which have beautiful visuals. So you get the visual slides and you get the whole curriculum so you can see what does it take to go from AI beginner to becoming an AI certified consultant and land your first client in 90 days? Let me share. I think I could just share the whole folder, really. I should put it in a website, but I'm just I'm just lazy right now. Sound, yeah. Whenever I open windows or tabs, which I should stop, because I have a lot of tabs open, my sound will just get cut. It just boop, 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 boop. So the rule is for me to try and not, hey Z Family Reviews, good to see you. For me not to, oh, confetti. By the way, we also have an AI agent sweatshop of agent. My AI marketing department is working behind the scenes, so we have a lot going on in this poor little computer. Is like, I don't have enough memory. I can't hold all this up. You want, bro, we're running out of RAM. Like, he wants all of these things. Okay, the avatar's done. This is the... It's not bad. I... I'm listening to the sound. The sound isn't bad. I think he could just talk a little faster, but I don't think so. I think he's fine. I think he's okay. Okay, what were some... Were there emotion tags? Can you do... What were some of the options for fish audio? Hold on, I want to see like... Oh, you can. Okay, so audio S1, Fish Audio new S1 can do emotion and tone markers to directly embed them in the script. These are parathetical tags like excited, surprised, sad, delight, confident, curious, and serious, sincere, special effects, laughing, chuckling, emotional. CSS was able to curious. Da, 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 da. Yeah, that would actually have been. So how can you add this controls are the current implementation already supports the speed that you want to just. Oh, let's add the emotions. So how add the emotional. I should probably say like where, but I'm just gonna let him figure it out because basically I want him to add emotions to the script. You can add emotions to basically your talking avatar script. He's not bad. Like he's really good. I like him. He's not confident. He's just a little like not confident kind of thing. I want him to be like confident. Like here's what you like. Let's laugh, low motion, like that kind of thing. So we're gonna add some emotion and tone to him. I've already optimized the speed from it. So one is clone your voice. Two is optimize the variables for the parameters for the speed and the temperature and all that fun stuff. And then next is then going into and now adding emotion. So done. I've updated the script. Reset the item 19 to process status, and this will generate the script with the emotional markers. Excellent. And then they'll do a dashboard and run script. Okay, cool. Nice. So I just tick here and say generate script. Okay, yeah, that's all I do. So now he's going to rewrite the script. Boom. So now he rewrote the script. And now he's going to go off and generate the captions, voice, and avatar, I guess. After you generate the script, oh, because you want me to generate the captions? Okay. Captions are done. Generate YouTube voice. What's up, Dante? ASMR says you can actually create a step in the automation to add them to your script. Yeah, that's definitely. It's like my thing was like, should I tell Claude where to put it or let him figure it out? And he figured it out, and I was like, okay, Claude, nice, very nice. Okay, voice is done. Now generate the new avatar with the new voice. I should technically listen to the audio for it, but that's fine. Whatever. So the thing with HeyGen looks really great. Let me give you guys HeyGen so you guys can look at that for a second. So the thing with HeyGen is looking at the API to be like, yo, how much credits are we burning? Which is like in their API, usage and billing. History. Yeah, here's the history. 1 minute video. Interesting, it's not showing me the credit usage. Ah, here we go. Ah, okay. So, and that's January 5th today. Okay, so for context, you're going to spend, and then HeyGen on the usage and billing. So, manage billing. I'm on the, oh no, because I'm just paying for the API. So it's HeyGen API. Hey. Yeah, so I'm on the HeyGen API. How can you learn? Link in the bio. Join the AI community. Start taking some of the courses, and I'll see you on Tuesday tomorrow for live classes Within 5 weeks from when you join, you will go from AI beginner to AI developer, AI expert in 5 weeks with live classes, courses, mentorship, all link in bio, and you get a one-on-one session with me. And that's for Canadian Swag Boy. Dope name. Make 2026 your most profitable year. Like we're automating our entire marketing, everything, everything, everything. Avatar content, completely out. Like we're creating AI avatars that are just pumping out 10 videos a day. That's what we're doing in the community. So join the community if you want to publish 10 videos a day and crush your competition. It's interesting, the HeyGen API for people that want to get super nerdy, like me and Sarah. This is really just for Sarah. It's interesting for the subscription that you're going to pay for GenSpark, because to generate API price, to generate that talking head video that you see right there, see, here's the thing. You're going to spend, well, even if you do 10 divided by 0.2, so you could generate 50. I'm looking at the usage of the credits. So API usage, yeah, it's 0.2 of credits. Okay. So if you're on their Pro plan for HeyGen, Pro plan is $99 a month, and you get 100 credits for that. For the 100 credits that you get, I know this is just me and Sarah like nerding out. For the 100 credits to generate this 1-minute video of me talking head is 0.2 credits. So that means if I spend $100, which they have the subscription, it's not a pay per usage, which is like super annoying. So your 100 credits divided by 0.2. So that means for my $99 subscription to HeyGen, I could generate 500 videos like this in a month. And then if we divide that by 30, that's 16 videos a day, which is nothing. And it's interesting, the API limitation is actually 100 videos a day. So that's why I want to try and get to. Like the APIs will cap you at 100 videos a day of like posting, uploading to like any of the social media channels. Very good to know. We're going to get to 10. And then with your subscription, because of the subscription, it drops it down to now if you do your $100, so $100 basically divided by 500 credits. Wait, so you're paying 20 cents. Did I do that right? $100 divided by 500. So yeah, so basically it's costing you 20 cents to generate a 1-minute talking head avatar video using HeyGen version 4. Even 10 videos a month is enough. For a lot of people, just posting once a week, completely automated with no extra effort, like done. YouTube eats this stuff up too. It's super weird. Like YouTube loves the AI avatar stuff. So that's the HeyGen. So now I just got a notification from my app because he's doing confetti. He says the avatar is done. So let's check out the new avatar. We're on version 3. Perfect. Perfect. Good speed, good pacing. He's got emotion. He's excited. He's confident. Got a little animation, little hand movement. Perfect. I like those for the pacing. So how much video editing do you do? God. So that's 20 cents to your talking head avatar to get on to generate a 40-second video. 20 cents. You gotta be, what? That's nothing. This is HeyGen for M. This is HeyGen, your digital avatar. That's nothing. I like that. That looks perfect. So now generate the B-roll. We're pressing buttons, and now we're gonna go generate the B-roll. Now he's sending the images to Kai. This is great. I'm happy with that. We fixed the voice. We're almost ready to get it published for our first one. You need to have a space for overlay text if necessary. Yeah, I figure like a title, and then I gotta find out, what do you recommend for captions is a thing. So I'm like trying to what's the best service for captions? I think I'll just Just get the service. Just API it. I mean, it roughly costs not that much per video, which is nice. So and then to generate the talking avatar is about 7 minutes. So one video takes about 10 minutes to produce, give or take. And then we got to get it scheduled to publish as well too. We got to finish that part where we got to just upgrade the package basically. But AC1, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Welcome to the chat. Welcome to the AI chat. Sarah's the MVP. So now he's generating the B-roll, which is so nice. Oh, the AI consultant certification program. Sorry, I got distracted. Share, public share link. Copy, done. A 3-month process. I should also mention we have a payment plan for the certification program, but okay, so let me send you. So if you're interested, send me a direct message and I'll send you the details of the AI consultant certification program, which I'm going to do right now. Oh, content. Yo, we're almost at getting 400 subscribers a week. Yo. Are these the AI avatar, AI content? Yo, the AI content's been posting already. Wow. It feels nice to post to TikTok and I didn't even log in the app yet. Oh, we're gonna get to 100K of subscribers in 6 months. Like, for sure. Okay, let me look in the DMs. Awesome to meet you, 16-bit. Yep. 16-bit, I'm looking at your thing. Long story short, you do backgrounds. I say all this because drop by your live show automated process. Awesome, thank you so much for showing. I'll show up to your shows. Okay. And then please share the details on becoming an AI consultant. Here you go. Here you go. Paste. There's the PDF curriculum and then the PowerPoint slides that talks about the program and has all the details. Perfect. Z Family says, interested in becoming an AI consultant. Here's the details. Paste. There's 2 documents in there, the curriculum, price, and PowerPoint slides. Perfect. Hey John, how do I become an AI consultant? Wow. Here's the info. There's 2 files in there that has the slides and details. Paste. Interested? Hi, Jessa. Are you interested in the AI consultant certification program or the AI community? AI. Hi, Jessa. I do not respond to my DMs enough, but right now I'm sending everyone the details for the AI certification. Just send me a direct message, and I'll send you basically. I'm sending you this basically. This is what I'm sharing. This is a PDF guide. It has the entire curriculum for the AI certification program to land your first client in 90 days. That's this one, and then I'm also giving you the slides, which is here. You'll like the slides better, honestly. I like the slides a lot better. but both have the entire information about the program. What do you think about NAN? NAN is just like super basic stuff now. Like maybe setting up like a Zapier simple basic automation, like super simple, one input, logic, output, done. I'm not building anything complex in NAN anymore. No need. Like the complexity, I took my most complex content automation app in NAN. I took the JSON file, I gave it to Claude. I said, "Okay, Claude, you rebuild this and make it better." And 10 minutes later, he's like, "Done." He's like, "I rebuilt your whole application. What would you like next? You want a dashboard? You want automation? Like, what would you like next? I'll build it." And I was like, "Thanks, Claude. I love you." Heart Claude. Claude, you're my friend. Here's details about the AI certification program. Consultant certification. Here's the details. So if you could spell certification right. Okay, so Jessa, I got you. Milton, nice. Here's the details about our AI consultant certification program. Based on perfect. Okay, perfect. AI consultant, Robbie, I see you. Here's the I didn't realize so many people were asking. I apologize. I have not been in my DMs. Here's the details of the AI consultant certification program. There's two files in there, one with the slides and the other with the curriculum and price. I love voice attacks. Voice attacks is amazing. Google Drive, Google folder. Okay, I think I responded to all my direct messages. Good evening. I was part of your AI certificate cost and everything. Yes. Pleasure to meet you. Here's all the details. There's two files in this Google Drive folder, one that has the curriculum and price, and the other that has the presentation and slides about the program. So debating that I may, let's see, just sign up today. Please let me know about the class tonight. Great. Looking forward to see you in the community. And here's the details for the AI consultant certification program. Okay. Sorry if this is getting a little repetitive for everyone on YouTube or everyone online right now. There's two files in there, one that has the curriculum price, the other one has the PowerPoint presentation slides. Just because some people get like they freak out if they see a Google Drive link and it's like, it's a link. Here's the details. Stuart, the teacher, nice to meet you, Stuart. Great to meet you, Stuart. Here's the details for the AI consultant certification program. There's two files, one for the curriculum and price, and the other one is for the PowerPoint presentation slides. I also, there is a payment plan to it. So I know there's a one-time price on it. There is a payment plan. And to make it super sweet, if you guys order this month, I'll make it one-on-one, which will be super fun. And then under the questions, what is 30? It's not bad. What is this about? This is, well, I'm kind of just vibe coding in the background to build a content automation. So on one side, I'm demoing content automation, but on the other side, right now, I'm just responding to comments of people wanting the details for the AI certification program that starts. Well, they're flexible about when it's starting. I'm putting together a payment plan. That way, people don't, just in case. Or payment plan. divide by, multiply by 3. Yeah, that's pretty good. And then I'll just save this. Cool. That way people could book. And now we can get back to the fun parts. Quarterly ads. You are, nah. Your name, your why. If you were to was a successful high rating invest, I don't know to become a certified because all that anything else I should know. Yeah. Okay. So the calendar link is really just to book a call and we could talk about the program, so that you can go from AI beginner. If I can zoom in, there we go. AI beginner, working 8 hours a week, doing basic prompts, and now you could go to building multi-agent AI systems, which is basically this content automation, for example. Production grade, you're coding, you're building MCP, you can hold your own in AI, and you go through the whole curriculum of basically what are the best AI tools. I like this slide because it's like, it shows you like the entire tech stack, all the tools you need to learn to become a certified AI consultant. That is like super interesting. One second. The interesting thing is the tools are going to change 3 months from now. That's the wild thing, is like you start the curriculum, and then as soon as we start the program, the curriculum is going to change. So this is what we're going to teach you today. But once you start the program, if Claude Code gets replaced by Kimi or Minimax, we're swapping it out. Like, so the curriculum is a little more flexible, dynamic. Okay, let's go back to our AI avatar content. Okay, so now we have generated B-roll for our video. So B-roll 1, let's take a look at it. CES is the topic. That looks like CES. So that's B-roll. That's perfect. It talks about Lego as well too, so it represents Lego. The B-roll is perfect. Okay, perfect. Perfect, Sega. I just like saying that. Okay, so we got the B-roll. We need a thumbnail. So let's go ahead and generate a thumbnail. We're just clicking buttons basically so that it generates. And now as you can see here, it's stitching together each of the elements to create one 40-second talking head avatar video basically. And oh man, I'm so debating. I think we may have to go all the way and make and fix, and because we have to, there is a bug and I don't have anything going on the rest of the day, honestly. So I'm going to be fixing, or we're just going to be implementing the editing feature because I want him to look like this. This is our goal for the end of the day, to create content that looks like this. That's the goal. That's what we're trying to create today. Is we're already there. The unknown is how to do the video editing for this piece. We're going to try FFmpeg. We're going to try ShotStack. We're going to see which one can edit the video the easiest. Actually, I kind of want to give this to probably GenSpark and have him start debating or working on it or planning or troubleshooting. So now we have a thumbnail generated. It's using Nano Banana Pro plus my headshot actually. So technically this thumbnail should have me in it. Yeah, we need to fix the image prompt. Yeah, because I'm not happy with that thumbnail and we need to generate a new thumbnail. Can you, where's the prompt for the thumbnail? So we need to get in here and we need to go to, not here, but app. Under app, where are the prompts? Where can I find the prompt for the thumbnail? And also, if there's any prompts that are used, can you create another tab in the app called settings or under settings? And under settings, you don't need the API, like the required services and the API key. Just remove that from the settings page. And then also the API key at the very top, just remove all that from the settings. And actually here, I want you to paste the text for the prompts for anything, if it's for the image generation, if it's for the thumbnail generation. And so users can edit the prompts and then save it, and it saves, obviously. So they can update the prompts back there as well. I would definitely make that. Okay, so we need to fine tune the prompt because the thumbnails are important on YouTube, really. Like Driga, nice to meet you. They're really important on YouTube because like a really good thumbnail will like do really good. We want it nice. I want it the most colorful cereal box on the shelf, if that makes sense. I want you to look at the thumbnails and be like, candy, I want. That's like, Julian Goldie does really good at that. Because the thumbnail click-through rate is everything. So we're refining the prompts for each of these stages. We refined the prompt for my voice generation. I'm very happy with that, terrifyingly accurate. And then we did the avatar's fine. Now we're generating the prompt for the thumbnail, so we'll refine that. And it's great because every app that you build, like, levels up in complexity. Like, because I built the vibe coding app because I built the content automation app, uploading, or this one uploading, I learned a lot from this one that I'm just applying to the new one. So the more you build and more you vibe code, the more advanced and complex, and like you learn new tricks along the way. You become a better developer, even though this is not gonna. I don't know. This can be the path. I'm not gonna say that. Like this can be the path to becoming a developer. Like if you apply yourself and study really hard and don't always cheat and use AI, but use it as a learning, this is probably the best path to becoming a software developer, honestly. Like, it won't make you like a senior software developer, but it will make you pretty dangerous, and that's enough. We just want to make you guys dangerous. Okay, so where is update the settings for PYMR, rewrite the settings for the prompt removal, API key, add a CSS styles for the prompt editor, now rewrite the HTML. Nice. So right now he's basically rewriting the HTML for this. Isaac, welcome. Isaac just came into from one of my posts. I think that's really cool. Hopefully the audio is good too. I think the audio is doing good. Just making sure everything's kind of hooked out. I want nothing but the best experience. You guys check out my Pokemon? They look lonely. We need to spawn another one. Boom, spawn another Pokemon. Boom, spawn another one. Oh, but they don't battle. I wish they would battle, but they don't battle. This is vibe coding. You're playing with your Pokemon. Back in the day, Tamagotchis. Except these don't die. Jaunty Accessories, welcome to the chat. Let me update the tools. We are vibe coding here, which is really exciting. Okay, so he's almost done with the settings. So now he's got everything done. Cool, so now if I go back to my app and we refresh, we're gonna fix the thumbnails basically is what we're gonna do. God, that looks so good. AI avatar looks so good. Okay, so if I refresh this, restart the server, nice. This is so much fun. Vibe coding is just so much fun. Now we just did a software update because it's just a wish list. And whatever you want, Claude is like, sure, I'll build that for you. No problem. Perfect. I want to be able to see my prompts for this automation so that I could fine tune. Oh, look at this. We have the prompt for the script writer, the prompt for the caption generator, the prompt for the thumbnail generator, the prompt for the B-roll. This is so dope. I need to update the thumbnail. So that's this one right here. Um, hmm. Hmm. We need to fix. I'm going to go fix my prompt. I'm going to go to ChatGPT or GenSpark. Haha, joking. ChatGPT. I'm going to go to GenSpark and I'm going to be like, hey, make my thumbnails and I want. It's going to lag for a second. Lagging, so I'll give it a second. Okay, cool. And then I'm going to take a screenshot of a bunch of thumbnails and give that to GenSpark to analyze and improve my prompts. So GenSpark is just going to refine my prompt. Whenever it comes to prompt engineering, just let the AI write the better prompt, basically. Like, Damon, good to see you. Damon, Happy New Year. I haven't said Happy New Year to you. Hope you're doing well. AI has gotten wild. We're doing AI avatar content right now. So that the AI avatar. Okay, so now, that's my original thumbnail. Keep this less than 1,000 characters. Make it less than 1,000 characters and give me it in a markdown format in a code block. With a cherry on top, with extra jalapenos and a side of chili cheese fries. That would be amazing. I am craving Tommy's chili cheese fries. Like, it is so good. Like, I'm so happy that they are not like just down the street, or else I would just be, oh my God, so bad, so bad. Okay, so he's creating the prompt. That looks good. Copy. Let's go back to here. Paste, save. And now, save changes. Perfect, they're saved. Now when we go to our dashboard, we go and regenerate thumbnail, B-roll 1, B-roll run 2. I think it's this one, status. And then generate thumbnail. Okay. You've been live all day. I know. It's a marathon. Well, I gotta build this anyways, and so might as well build in public. So you guys are just seeing me vibe code an automation tool that's gonna automate. It's gonna generate 10 pieces of content a day, completely on autopilot. Look, it made confetti too. Like, I am building the content machine for 2026. That's gonna be like, okay. So now we're fine tuning the thumbnail here, basically. We're seeing how good. What is that? That's not the thumbnail. What is going on? So that was definitely not the thumbnail. They're like model shoots. settings, thumbnail generator, pose. We need the thumbnail generator to input. From the thumbnail generator, we need to input the context of, I don't know, like the script or the original source, and then use that to generate the thumbnail. So we need to modify the prompt so it includes that. So it includes more like one single element from the article to represent. So it's like, and it fixed the prompt to make it simple. So it's literally like 50-50. Half of the image on the top background is the logo of the main topic or icon that represents the main topic, one single icon, fix my prompt. And then it has just a picture of me down below, real simple, just like, almost like he's cut out. And then a simple like background, white, black, yellow, like simple color background. Mostly white color background is like a big thing. And then 1 to 3 words in very big broad text as well too. So it has to read the article to rewrite the image prompt. I don't know if you have to customize that. That way the thumbnail specifically pertains to the article. That was a very long prompt, wasn't that? Because we're trying to be very specific around what we have to get it to do. What's the bug we want it to fix, basically. Because we need thumbnails to actually look correct. Cool, so I'm going to keep vibe coding. We're going to take a break right here. So I will catch you guys on the next live stream, probably later today. We'll see. So actually tomorrow. So I'll live stream tomorrow. So I will see you guys live stream tomorrow. If you're in the community, we start class tomorrow for the 5-week AI accelerator. Or basically we're going to do GenSpark, vibe coding, Google AI Studio, and all the Google suite of products. And then we're going to do how to automate your content with the apps that you're seeing here to generate the short form and the long form and automate the content. And then digital marketing is going to be week 5, how to create content that results in leads or sales, basically. So that's all inside the community. We start class tomorrow. So you can sign up, join, highly recommend it. And then if you're interested in the AI consultant certification program to become a paid AI consultant and make money from actually selling AI solutions, then send me a direct message. Just tag it AI consultant. I'll send you all the details. Price, curriculum, all the details. I'll send that to you. So good to see everyone today. Leet, Leakin, Dudan. We had Sarah as well today. So RJ, Raj, Ham, A, and dude, good to see all of you guys. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for the next live stream, and look out for my content that's completely automated. It's all automated. So